through our survey and through just the conversation throughout the bond process, we've been given the questions that are going to be on the test, meaning that we know what we need to find answers to. So Megan, you talk about data. That's important. What is the data? What does it cost? The difference in cost between new and remodel. What happens if we can't build behind Olalla? What happens if what about the Old Clifton versus Cedar Heights? I mean, we know what the questions that were out there. Now, there will be more questions and different questions too, but I think that's the due diligence that we need to do at this point, is figure out, all right, what is it that we need to determine, what do we need to solve, and then what do we need to go forward with? And something has to be done.
I really think too, I think that's a great point. And I think we do have some places to start. For example, bond versus levy. If you broke just the 271 into a bunch of little levies and you ran them all at once, you ran 3 now and 3 in the future, whatever, what would that look like? Do we have some money in the budget for our team, or maybe put an outside consultant to do that and to do some additional preliminary feasibility on some of these plans, to sort of a double check of what we had done the first round?
Yeah. So two things that I would like to see, and I've already talked about one, is, and in fact, I've got someone working on it, is that what would it look like to run 6-year capital levies after 6-year capital levy after 6-year capital levy? We know that the total amount is going to be less, but the cost per thousand, the tax rate is going to be more. And the other thing you do with that is that you pass it once, but you're counting on passing it again and again and again and again. And with the track record we have, that's not real. I don't have a lot of confidence in that, but I think we need to show this is what it would look like, because there really are 2 ways to fund construction: capital levy, bond. That's it. Not bake sales, not car washes. I heard that in a different district, not ours.
Yeah.
But there isn't. And I wish there was, but like your question to Monica, how much money do we get for construction costs from the state? None.
$0.
Yep. So that's one thing. The other is, yes, I think we need to budget some money to do some pre-work, and districts down the road from us did some of that pre-work. So they had the answers. If someone said, can you do it? They had experts in the field saying, yes, we can. And here's the data that shows it. So yes, I think that's something we need to consider as well.